Hello guys, a warm welcome back to YouTube channel. My name is Eunice. For those who are new here, the new subscribers, welcome to this channel. Support my work by just subscribing. It's for free. Like the videos and comment down below. Guys, I'm so thankful for your previous response and thank you very much. So today we are going to it's a grocery haul and organizing the kitchen, and hope you love it. So guys, these are just some of the things I got in the market. They're not much, we're just a small family, and I decided to share it with you. So this will last us for 1 week and some days. And comment down below, do you do batch buying of your product, or do you buy one like when you need it? So I will start by cleaning up my vegetables, and because they're still dirty from the shamba, then I'll store them in very good portions. So guys, I'm done with my groceries. They are well and clean and fresh. So I'm going to do some good cleaning, a revamp on my fridge. It's very disorganized, as you can see. Can't even recall when was the last time I did a good cleanup. So I'll remove all the food in the fridge and start cleaning it bit by bit until it's sparkling clean. At this point, I'll use some warm water to clean each and every part of the fridge, the two sections, because they are very dirty. They have sticky milk, they have sticky food on them. So guys, now I'm going to pack my vegetables and everything that I need in the fridge. For the vegetables, I'm going to fold them in small bundles so it can be easier for me to remove them in the fridge while cooking, and also they can be neatly be packed in the fridge. And using cling film helped me so much because I find it like it retain the freshness of the vegetables. So how do you guys pack your vegetables in the fridge? Because as you can see, they are very convenient and they'll be very neat in my fridge. Comment down below. Guys, now you can see the way I have managed to arrange my fridge in a very simple manner, and so good. I'm very happy about the outcome. So you don't stress so much about the things you can use to arrange your fridge with. Just take some simple containers and you shall be good. Guys, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.